I think the one thing that people generally don't know about the industry is really how timely it is and how important it is because drugs are not just sitting on shelves all the time, especially high cost specialty medications. They're not just going to be on a shelf. They're going to be a just in time inventory model. And so sometimes you have to, you know, take that risk in bad weather to be able to ship that product, even if you're risking losing that product, to make sure that that patient gets it. Because if it's an oncology product, I mean, these patients, they can't have any lapses in their therapy. And you understand that our role in the supply chain ultimately affects the patient at the end of the day, even if we don't see them. Specialty distribution is a lot different than like a full line model, just because one, volumes, and number two, traditionally specialty medications are going to require a lot more special handling and are a lot higher risk. So when we're shipping out product, we have to make sure that we have, our validated pack outs. We make sure that we're looking at the weather. We're looking at all these different elements because we can't just be, shipping in an envelope. We have to, take those special precautions because you could really, at the end of the day, we could trigger a recall event if we don't do our jobs correctly. And that is what scares me a little bit, but also kind of keeps us on our toes and making those processes to where you know at the end of the day that that patient is going to get a safe drug. What excites me the most is seeing all these brand new distribution models and non-traditional models that you haven't seen in the past. I mean, I've seen all these different models and some surprise you. You're like, why do they do it this way or why do they do it this way? But you understand that it's always going to be for the benefit of the patient, of the prescribers, and of ultimately the health of the patient.